Hi, I'm Steve Smith, the Director of IronBow's Cloud Practice. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the software-defined data center and how IronBow's IronTarget platform delivers that to our customers. But first I want to back up for a second, and I want to talk about what we've been able to define using software for a number of years. The first is going to be compute, which we typically think of as memory and CPU, and the second is storage. So for a number of years, we've been able to use software-defined compute and store. The third, and what we've more recently been able to virtualize in the data center, is the network and the security that goes along with that. So now what we're able to do is we can orchestrate using software all of these things, which makes it a lot easier to automate in the data center. So within IronTarget, using the software-defined aspects of the solution, I can do a couple things. First, I can build logical workload domains within the solution. It's like almost a software-defined data center within a software-defined data center, where I can carve off resources for a specific complex use case. And containers is a great example. So containers are typically difficult for customers to deploy and maintain. And they suffer from the same challenges that VMs did back in the day, where there's a whole lot of sprawl going on, and they're even more complicated to manage. So with an IronTarget, we can deploy a container workload domain very quickly. We can destroy it, we can build it again, but the key point being that within IronTarget, when I deploy a specific workload domain for a customer, it's up and running right away and it's usable. So the second thing, and what customers think of most when you're talking about what software-defined does for you, is the service catalog. Within IronTarget, we have the ability to deploy service catalogs for customers. But what the service catalog does is it provides the customers with a list of applications that they can choose from to deploy within the infrastructure. So if I want to deploy as a customer application C, I would choose that from my menu, and then what happens is the processes begin to deploy application C, but what that's really doing is taking this orchestration and it's automating it, and it's whatever I've set for application C, it's going back and it's requesting that these resources be allocated for that application. So not only does this get deployed, but we're also deploying all of the code, the custom code that's associated with application C into the environment. So in addition to that, when I deploy application C, if it's overloaded, I'm able to use the solution to monitor that and then deploy a new instance of application C if I need the resources available. And I can keep doing that on and on forever. Now, when the application is no longer being heavily utilized, conversely, I can also say, I don't need that anymore. Let's turn it off and take those resources back so that we can use them somewhere else. So you can see that these are all typically things that you see in the public cloud. Well, at IronBow, what we want you to understand is that you can get those delivered on-premises, and the on-premises piece of a multi-cloud solution is extremely important because not everything is suitable for the public cloud. So IronTarget, we can connect that to the public cloud. We can connect that to another data center. We can make an integrated multi-cloud solution for our customers that's managed from a single pane of glass. If you'd like to know more, visit ironbow.com/IronTarget.